man patar gom bilinten le gom kanga pokoi mame kami wo akana bo ni don su kisi gom sambe usu on tempase sa prembo naka tar gom ni ngi bisi wasu kura we ngoy
la yam kun wakanin kausame bilifo
mo ko sone
fokuntum ka kausane wala yuma ngwan la fotum kana
igafale allo oui oui
fomitum daka boy man ka
bom nawa
la fokuntum ni ka kausane wala yuma ngwan la fotum kana yuma nase la yam kami bumni kumana kane la yeti yam yi kabi yam chetembe ka ti yam yi Ibeo la fibe
He's one of your brothers.
Okay.
She was born in Tamale.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How are you? I'm from Bolga.
You are from Bolga?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's a Fafraboy.
Okay.
Mabia.
Mabia.
Mabia. I'm a journalist.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I live in this country.
She's
here to visit me.
Oh, okay. So
are you working here?
No, I'm on a visit. I've come to shop.
Okay, to shop.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a businessman from America.
From America. Okay, that's good.
I lived many years in California.
Okay.
I was in Los Angeles.
I live in Arkansas.
Oh, yeah.
And how do you see here?
Kansas City.
For now, this is probably my third time here. I've been coming here every time I come home. I shop here. But my friend David says there's kind of reorganization. So
Yeah.
things like most of the stuff have been moved. Some of the guys are not around. So they kind of...
Make sure you buy what you have to buy before they close down.
Sure.
They will not close.
Bro. Justice. Voilà. For me, tumraka. La for you, la boy. Asami. La boy man ka asami. Ti patron ramayi.
Voilà, les vont remplacer nous autres ramas. Un pile ana la otone. Pana
la yam han yi kan yam nan chen ye. Yam kam yam kun nan chen zininga. La fonan zamsra mi fomi ya patronka. Fo zamsra ne. Ale. La ya government wan tal yamun wakan bi fo wani ya nirin telephone wa asoba kun telephone wa kan wa yo ligri bi akayo a telephone wa balan yeto fo wa zamse okay to for man ba ma fa. Oh, look at this guy. He said disabled. He's be able to do all these things, but they are sacking them here. Well, it's a big problem. They are very sad here, and then I think something must be done on their behalf, because what can they do in living in case they close here? Does it mean they have to go back home and be sitting down as people that need help? And who is going to help them? Even if organizations are going to continue helping them, can it help? That's the question. We need help from everywhere to let them stay here and continue their work. Yibo. a fibe yam tumna ka yam zila wa bibon ni kane ni ka la boy manaka
Guru bilbar ndabe siam
ti obiye tiam yiki kabi yam zika tiam na yime tiam zini yam nan zini kama hawa yam labta lan ke ma hawa o yam ya ni pals kan bimbo okay la yam kun wakane rahman wan la wa bi chuga wana rahmat talanwa la o hantal bograran wakane yam tengweme yam ka tengwe bi boy yam kami bugrar zabo bi boy to butali yam wate kane ne pangati yam tunwa